Hello everyone, and welcome to the Smart School Solution event. Today we'll be walking you through how you can infuse and integrate technology in your classroom and in the school.
From the OEM stating that Proxynet is an authorized representative of this company.
Eradicating a lot of expenses, eradicating the tedious way of creating content, and ensuring that we have active
You have your admin control, you have everything. Okay. Wait, show us the parent side. You can see their pay stack. So they'll use their hand. You won't be able to steal someone's card and use it.
I knew Proxynet just recently, and I actually thought Proxynet is about only selling products like the Robotics Kits and the likes. But then coming here today actually made me see that Proxynet is actually all-round EdTech or technology. And seeing all the presentations today, I could see that Proxynet is actually doing a lot, bringing technology into almost every sphere of our being.
Thank you for participating in today's event. We hope that you have learned and you have seen smart solutions that would help your school improve their productivity and, of course, when it comes to the smart and technology space. Thank you.